Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that all are fine. Today, we are going to learn GK, General Knowledge. Here, on page number 219 in your textbook, Jai Hind. Okay, you have to learn about our national flag. Let us read about our flag. Here, first we have to read about our flag. It is already written there. It is called the tricolor. Okay. How many colors are there on national flag? There are 3 colors. Okay. Each color tells about something. Okay. It has 3 colors. Okay. National flag has 3 colors. It has 3 colors. What are the colors? Saffron, white and green. Okay, saffron, white and green. These are the 3 colors. There is a blue wheel in the center or national flag. You can see there in the middle of there is a one blue color key wheel. Okay, blue color wheel in the center. Okay, center you can see the blue color wheel. Now it is called the Ashoka Chakra. Okay, that is in the center there is a blue color wheel that is called Ashoka Chakra. Okay, now after that there are 2 exercises that we will see after some times. Okay, we are going to learn about Jai Hind. Okay, I am going to show you some of the pictures. National flag, national flower, national fruit, national animal, national bird, national game. Okay. Now, this is image of our national flag. This is green color. There are already 3 colors. Saffron, green and white, and in the center there is a one blue color wheel. And also there are 24 spokes. Spokes means you can see there in the center one blue color wheel, and there are 24 spokes are there. How many spokes are there? There are 24. Okay. There are 24 spokes, and each spokes represent an hour. Okay. There are 24 spokes and each spokes represent an hour. Okay, that is why there are 24 spokes. Okay, there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, that's represent that. Okay, you got it. Now, this is also one of the image of our national flag. Next, this is our national flower, lotus. Okay, which is our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. Spelling Lotus, lotus. Our national flower is lotus. Now, which is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. Spelling Peacock, peacock. This also another image of our national bird, peacock. Now, tell me, which is our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. National animal is tiger. What is the correct spelling of tiger? Tiger, tiger. Next, which is our national fruit? Our national fruit is mango. The spelling mango, mango. Next, which is our national game? Our national game is hockey. Our national game is hockey and the spelling Hockey, hockey. And which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Okay, this is our national tree. Spelling Banyan, banyan, tree, tree, banyan tree. Okay. Now we already learned about our national flag. National flag is called tricolor. Tricolor means there are three colors. What are they? Saffron, white and green. Okay, and also blue wheels in the center, that is called Ashoka Chakra. And we also learned about our national flower, national animal, national bird, national fruit, national tree and national game. Here already I told you there are two exercises given to you. Exercise A. Read the sentences, write yes or no. You have to write there yes or no. First one, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 1st December. Gandhi Jayanti on 1st December. We already celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Here already written 1st December. Then that sentence is wrong and you can write there no. Okay. Now second question. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. India's capital, New Delhi. That sentence is correct and you can write there why. Okay. Now, question number 3. People who live in India are called Indians. Those who are living in India are called Indians. Okay, that sentence also correct and you can write there why. Okay. Now, last question. We celebrate Republic Day on 2nd October. We are celebrating Republic Day on 26th January, and here already written 2nd October. 2nd October we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. That sentence is wrong and you can write there in. Okay. Now next exercise is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answers. The other name for India is, the second name of India is, there are two options, Bharat or Lakshman. The correct answer is option A, Bharat. And second one, our national flower is rose or lotus? Lotus. Okay. Now third one, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August or 26th January. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August, and 26th January we are celebrating Republic Day. And last one question is the name of my state. Okay, which is your state? Madhya Pradesh. MADHYAPRADESH. Okay. Our state is Madhya Pradesh and we are writing short in MP. Okay, MP means Madhya Pradesh. Okay, you got it. Now, on page number 220, okay, there is save water. Okay, save water. Let us learn how to save water. First one, Noni takes only as much water as she needs to drink. That is correct. How much she needs to drink, that much only she took. Okay. And second one, Sunny turns off the tap while brushing his teeth. Okay. Or Sunny turns off the tap while brushing his teeth. Sunny, when he brushes his teeth, he off the tap. Okay, he is not on all the taps, and he is turning off the tap and while brushing. Okay, now third one, Ravi uses a bucket and a mug to have bath, and Ravi he uses a bucket and a mug to have a bath. Okay, he takes water in a bucket and also mug. And last one, Asmi waters plants with the water left her in her bottle. Fourth one, Asmi waters plants with the water left here in a bottle, or water bottle, remaining water she is putting on plants. She is not wasting water. She serves water. And here the kitchen tap is leaking. What will you do? Okay, in your house the kitchen tap is leaking. What will you do? Tell mommy about it. There are two options. Tell mommy about it or let it leak. What will you do? You will go and tell your mommy that kitchen pipe is leaking. The correct option is A. Okay. Now, these are two lessons from your GK book. First about Jai Hind, and second one about saving of water. Okay, learn well, enjoy your day, have a nice day. Thank you.